Want to turn your Windows 10 PC into sleek macOS experience? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform your desktop look like macOS, smooth client and fully functional. This is what your desktop look like after end of this video, a clean minimalist macOS style interface on Windows 10, and yes, it's work perfectly. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show that how to give a macOS look on your Windows 10 PC. So let's start. First thing, we have to create a restore point. In case anything goes wrong, you can revert your system. Just click on search and search for restore point and click on create a restore point. Then select your Windows C drive and click on create and give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. In case anything goes wrong, you can use this restore point to revert your system. Then click on close and then click on OK. Now we need to ready our system for custom theme. Just use the CQRX theme tool. All links are given in the pinned comments or description box. Right click on it and then click on extract files and then click on OK. And then cut this folder into C drive and paste it here. Now open this folder. And here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK and mark these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. Just click yes to continue. Now our Windows 10 is ready for using custom theme. Here you can see the custom theme file. Just right click on it and then click on extract and then click on OK. Go to this theme folder. Go to this theme folder again. Here you can see the macOS classic theme. Just copy these theme files. Go to Windows 10 C. Go to Windows folder. Search for resources folder. Go to themes folder and paste it here. And then click on continue. And then go to this C drive again. And here you can see the CQRX theme tool. Just open this. Go to this folder and here you can see the theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. And then here you can see this macOS classic. Just select that theme and then click on apply. So let me clear, it's not an actual release from Microsoft and it doesn't affect your system performance at all. Now we need to install the icon pack. Here you can see the icon pack. To use this icon pack, we need to use this tool called 70sp. Just unzip this tool and open it, and we need to rename it EE2EXE. And then run the 70sp tool. Then click on yes and then click on add custom pack and then select this icon pack and then click on continue and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete this process. I'll be right back after completing this process. Okay, so process has been complete. Just click yes to reboot your computer. Okay, so icon pack has been applied. Here you can see these new icons. Now we need to modify our explorer. Just use this old new explorer. Unzip this file first and then cut this folder into C drive and paste it here and open this folder. Right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and mark these boxes and then click on install and then click on close. Okay, so now we need to move our maximize, minimize and close buttons right to left. To do that, you need to use a tool called left sider. Go to extras folder and here you can see this left sider. Just open it and double click on it and that's it. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more desktop makeovers and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new macOS theme on Windows 10.